Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, Signals and Shadows. Today, we are diving into a topic that's quickly becoming silent challenge for many organizations. Shadow AI, the silent insider. You might have heard of Shadow IT, but Shadow AI is evolving, often more insiders. So, what exactly is Shadow AI? Simply put, it refers to the unauthorized or unmanaged use of AI tools within an organization. This often happens without the IT or security team's explicit approval. Unlike traditional shadow IT, shadow AI specifically involves the use of AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard, Notion AI, or Claude. Employees are quietly adopting these tools, not necessarily with a malicious intent, but often due to business urgency, leading them to bypass existing controls. Now, you might wonder, how does this happen in practice? Well, it's quite common for employees to copy and paste sensitive information into public large language models or LLMs. Think about using AI assistant to summarize customer data, draft contract summaries, or even write out internal roadmaps. Another way shadow AI creeps in is when SaaS platforms connect to AI engines via browser extension or hidden APIs. This means your data, prompts, and intellectual property could be walking out of the door through APIs that your security teams cannot even see. This brings us to a crucial question: why shadow AI is so risky? There are several key dangers. First, there is no visibility into the data exfiltration. You simply don't know what sensitive information is leaving your network. Second, there is no retention or compliance trail that makes it incredibly difficult to meet regulatory requirements or conduct forensic investigations. Third, organizations have no assurance of data residency or storage, which is a major concern for data privacy laws. And finally, there's a risk of IP leakage or prompt injection, putting your intellectual property and operational integrity at significant risk. The truth is, despite of rising usage of AI tools across enterprises, most security and IT teams currently have no structured way to identify or govern this shadow AI risk. But don't worry, there is a Shadow AI Starter Kit available designed to help SOC teams, architects, and CISO to act fast. Let's break down some of the key components of this kit. First, this kit helps by outlining 5 critical Shadow AI risk categories. Understanding these categories is the initial step toward a comprehensive defense strategy. Next, it provides a crucial guide for Microsoft Defender for Endpoint or MDE detection mapping. You can leverage Defender for Endpoint telemetry to start detecting shadow AI. This includes using custom KQL queries to detect browser extension and identify application usage pattern linked to a specific AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Notion AI, or Jasper. It also suggests using device process events, device network events, device file event queries, along with the setup guidance for advanced hunting rules and device tagging. For best results, it recommends integrating MDE with Microsoft Sentinel for better correlation and alerting. This kit also provides a sample DLP for prompt detection. This is a ready-to-use data loss prevention policy for Microsoft Purview or Endpoint DLP. It is designed to detect copy pasting or uploading of confidential data into AI endpoints, covering browser-based actions on platforms like ChatGPT, Bard, Bing AI. What's great is that this can be extended to include sensitive information type specific to your organization, like the project names, source code, or personal identified information. Now, as a bonus, it even includes a regex pattern, for example, for prompt-related leakage terms. Finally, there's a quick starter audit checklist for SOC and IT admins. This actionable checklist helps you assess your shadow AI exposure almost under 30 minutes. It includes steps like conducting an inventory of AI usage across your endpoint and browsers, performing an audit of blocked versus allowed browser extension, a review of existing AI-related DLP and Defender policies, assessing your intra-ID conditional access and app governance readiness, and finally, recommendation for SOC dashboard visibility. It is also important to be aware of specific shadows to watch. Certain extensions such as Merlin, Compose AI, and Ghostwriter AI are known to the silently harvesting browser data and bypass network control. A crucial tip here is to use Intune or Defender to block or monitor that extension in popular browsers like Edge and Chrome. Have you seen Shadow AI in action in your org? What tools you're using to stay ahead? Hope this deep dive Shadow AI has been insightful. Thank you for tuning in.